It has really changed my life. Like, it's been a year in this and we are almost done and we are at the last step of our course. Now I will be able to work on the real patients in the real world. My name is Ashima. I am studying Intraoral Dental Assistant Level 1 and Level 2 at Anderson College. To be honest, I was really nervous and excited at the same time because it was my first time entering a dental lab. Seeing the all professional tools and everything, the tools, they amazed me and they convinced me to learn more and do hands-on practice in these chairs. So I was really excited after doing that. I think everyone has a shortage of time. So this modern technology has really helped people, especially in the dental field. Nowadays with the digital x-rays, we just put the sensor and in one click we have the x-ray image. And the dentist can right away do the diagnosis and tell the patient that you need this based on the x-ray. So that is really good.